Hello everyone, welcome to Clarity for Sure, and I welcome you to the lecture series on NABARD Current Affairs for your upcoming NABARD Grade A 2025 examination. So in this series we will be discussing the daily ESI and current affairs in the form of MCQs, followed by the detailed analysis or the concept or the scheme behind whatever topic we are going to discuss, right? So I'll be bringing 5 MCQs in this session on a regular basis, so that we will be covering the small aspects before your actual examination, so that it will be very immensely helpful for your revision process also, right? So today we will be discussing some important 5 major MCQs related from the month of June 2025. And yes, if you are new to our YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe to Clarity for Sure to get regular updates related to the regulatory body examinations. Also, do visit www.c4scourses.in to check the various regulatory body mentorship and test series program that is being provided by us at a very affordable rate. And do join the Telegram channel of Clarity for Sure to get regular updates related to on the exam related content related to your regulatory body examinations. And also do join the Agri Clarity YouTube channel and also the Telegram channel to get specific agriculture related content, right? The link of these Telegram channels will be given in the description box below, right? So getting into the session, the first question for today's session is: recently Krishi Nivesh portal was in news. Consider the following statements regarding the portal. Okay, so statement number 1 says the Krishi Nivesh portal provides one-stop digital access to both central and state agriculture investment schemes. As of now, schemes from 7 ministries including agriculture and farmers welfare, food processing industries and Jal Shakti are already onboarded. The portal is built on the open source interoperable technology and supports online submission of detailed project reports. Okay, so your options are, the question is asking you to choose the correct answer from the following option. Only one is correct, only two is correct, both 1 and 2 are correct. Option number D, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option number 5, only 3 is correct. And the answer for this particular question is option number D. That is the all the statements related to this particular Krishi Nivesh portal is correct, right? So now let us see what this Krishi Nivesh portal actually is. See, this Krishi Nivesh portal was actually launched in the year in September 2024 by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. What was the motto or what was the aim of this particular portal? It actually consolidates your agricultural investment schemes into a single digital platform. Okay, so who will be the beneficiaries of this particular portal? It provides the streamlined access for investors, farmers and agri startups like entrepreneurs. Everybody can have a common portal where they can see a consolidated agricultural related investment schemes into a single digital platform. Okay, so this is the major aim of this particular Krishi Nivesh portal. I hope the major objective and aim of this portal is clear to you now. So as of now, there are 7 ministries that are attached to this particular portal. What are those 7 ministries? Agriculture and farmers welfare, food processing industries, rural development, new and renewable energy, Jal Shakti, chemicals and fertilizers, fisheries, animal husbandry and dairying. These are some of the 7 ministries, and as of now it is providing information related to 17 flagship agricultural schemes, right? 17 schemes. The data for 17 schemes is being provided by this Krishi Nivesh portal as of now. Okay, and upcoming ministries which is planning to get attached to this particular portal will be MSME, Ministry of Corporation, Panchayati Raj, Commerce, Development of Northeastern region also. Why this was in news in the month of June 2025? Why? Because the central government or the union government urged the states to give the details related to the schemes related to the agriculture, so that agriculture and allied sectors, so that that can be added to these particular schemes or ministries that have been added to this particular portal, right? So I hope the basics of this Krishi Nivesh portal is clear to everyone. Moving forward, what are the key features of this particular scheme? This particular portal, it will give you a one-stop access. As I told you already, it will be a centralized schemes from multiple ministries and states can be accessed from this particular portal. It will be a open source and it is user friendly also, and there is a provision for tracking the application for the detailed project reports that is being submitted, right? And what will be the significance of this particular scheme? Portal, it will be improving the productivity, infrastructure and value chains related to the agriculture and allied sectors. It will give the timely updates and easy access of schemes or updates related to the schemes that is pertaining to the agriculture schemes, and it also supports modernization. It will enhance the tech driven agriculture, and it will also categorize the investment opportunity based on the geography and subsidies for a particular region. Okay, so these are all some of the key features and significance of this particular Krishi Nivesh portal. I hope this Krishi Nivesh portal is clear to everyone. Moving forward to second question, the Commission of Air Quality Management in NCR and adjoining areas via a particular direction has directed the state governments of Haryana and Punjab to mandate the use of paddy straw based biomass pellets or briquettes in all bricklands located in the district beyond NCR as one of the means towards the elimination of the practice of the open paddy stubble burning. It is nothing but the Commission for Air Quality Management has directed the states of Punjab and Haryana to use the paddy straw based biomass and pellets or the briquettes in all the bricklands, okay, located in the outside region of NCR. For what? For a constant or a means to elimination of the practice of open paddy stubble burning. Okay, so they have given certain criteria. Now this question is talking about 50% co-firing of paddy straw based pellets or briquettes will be done with effective from which of the following years. Okay, so the context is nothing. I will tell you the context now after seeing the answer for this particular question. The answer is option number D, by the year from the year 2028. Okay, so this is the context behind the particular question. Okay, it is nothing but your Commission for Air Quality Management in NCR as provided certain directions to the government of Haryana and Punjab to mandate the use of paddy based biomass pellets or briquettes, and see that have certain percentage. Okay, so for that they have given certain years of for implementation. So for 20% of co-firing of paddy straw based pellets or briquettes, it will be effectively implemented from the year 2025. So for 30% co-firing of paddy straw based pellets or briquettes will be implemented from 2026, 40% from 2027, and 50% of co-firing of paddy straw based pellet or briquettes will be effective from the year 2028. So the answer for this question is option number D, that is your 2028. So this is one of the important step that has been taken by the CAQM board to control or to bring the stubble burning level into its minimum. Okay, so this is about this particular question. Moving to question number 3. Consider the following statements. The Gramin Credit Score is developed by private fintech companies to access rural creditworthiness. This Gramin Credit Score will replace existing credit scoring models like CIBIL or CRIF Highmark. The framework is planned to be integrated with the Swamitwa scheme for enhanced rural lending. Okay, so which of the following statements are correct? So choose it from the following options. Option A, only 1 is correct. Option B, only 3 is correct. Option C, 2 and 3 are correct. Option D, all 1, 2, 3 are correct. And option E, none of the above. The answer for this particular question is option number B, only 3 is correct. Now let us see why statement 1 and 2 are wrong. Right. So first, we will try to understand the basics of this Gramin Credit Score. Okay, this is actually a rural credit scoring framework designed to evaluate the credit worthiness of the rural individuals and the self-help groups more accurately than the existing one size fits all models. It is nothing but they are coming up with a specific indicator or the rural credit framework to evaluate the credit worthiness of the rural individuals and self-help groups. Okay, why? Because these rural borrowers or the self-help groups do not have more access to the formal credit histories. Okay, so for this reason their already CIBIL score or the other scores may underrepresent their repayment capacity. Okay, since they are not completely getting their loans from the formal institutions, mostly they are from the informal institutions or organizations, their credit worthiness is not truly reflected in the existing credit based scoring framework. So that is why this Gramin's credit score has been introduced by the or it will be developed by the public sector's bank, and this has been announced in the union budget 2025 and 2026. Okay, and why this is important? See, this is designed to work alongside of the national credit bureaus like CIBIL or CRIF, and it will not replace that. Okay, in addition to the existing framework, this Gramin credit score will be used as the additional measure to review the rural credit for the rural individuals and the self-help groups. Okay, and this is being interlinked with the Swamitwa scheme. What is Swamitwa? It is a property ownership records for rural inhabited lands, which will enable the property linked credit evaluation and better risk assessment. Okay, so by linking this particular Gramin's credit score with this Swamitwa scheme, what it actually aims to do is to enable the property linked credit, so that the banks that is going to lend for the self-help groups or the rural individuals will have a better risk assessment based on the property that is linked to this particular Gramin credit score. I hope this Gramin's credit score is also clear to you now. Do let me know in the comment box related to the aim of this Swamitwa scheme and the ministry which is responsible in operationalization of this particular Swamitwa scheme. Right. Moving forward, recently, which of the following institutions conducted the Rural Economic Conditions and Sentiments Survey? Okay, this is just a survey. This might come in your examination. Your options are RBI, Niti Aayog, NABARD, Ministry of Rural Development, Indian Council for Research on International and Economic Relations. The answer for this particular question is option number C, NABARD. Okay, NABARD had actually come up with a survey called Rural Economic Conditions and Sentiments. It is talking about the diversified aspect. That is not very important from your exam point of view, but which organization releases this report becomes important, right? I hope this is also clear to you now. Moving forward, for the last question of the day, which of the following statements are correct for the PM Pranam? Program for restoration, awareness, nourishment and amelioration of Mother Earth. Okay, so it was launched in June 2023 to reduce chemical fertilizer use by incentivizing states to adapt alternate fertilizers. It is operational for the period of 4 years, starting from the financial year 2023-2024 to 2026-2027. It encourages the use of only the organic and biofertilizers. Okay, so which of the following statements are correct? Only statement 1, statement 2 and 3, statement 1 and 2, statement 1 and 3, and all are correct. But the answer for this particular question is option number A, only 1 is correct. We will see why statement number 2 and statement number 3 are incorrect. Now PM Pranam, as I already told you, it was approved in 2023 to reduce the chemical fertilizer use by incentivizing schemes to adopt to alternate fertilizers. So 2023 to 2025, 2 years of completion of this particular scheme. It is operational for 3 years, not 4 years. 2023, 2024 to 2025 and 2026. Right. So what is the target? The ultimate target of this particular PM Pranam is to achieve 20,000 crore reduction in fertilizer spending, because we know that India is one such country that spends more on fertilizers. Okay. the long-term vision is to reduce the chemical fertilizer dependency while promoting sustainable agriculture. So the short-term goal, that is this between these 3 years, what is the short-term goal? To reduce the fertilizer input cost by 20,000 crore, and the long-term vision would be the reduce the chemical fertilizers dependency while promoting the sustainable agriculture. Okay, it encourages the balanced use. It does not only ask to use only the natural or bio fertilizers, rather it is encouraging us to use the balanced use of chemical fertilizers along with the bio fertilizers and organic fertilizers through organic and natural farming practices. Okay, what is the tracking mechanism? The integrated fertilizer management system. I hope the students, you are aware of this integrated fertilizer management system. It is the platform that envisages to track the use of the fertilizers under this PM Pranam. Okay, I hope this PM Pranam is also clear to you now. So we have completed 5 MCQs for today, which is most important from your NABARD Grade A exam point of view for both your phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, so if you are someone who is looking for a good and affordable mentorship and test series program for your upcoming NABARD Grade A 2025, do consider checking the Clarity for Sure's NABARD Mentorship and Test Series 2025 program, which is specifically designed in a very easy way and in a very comprehensive manner to give the quality content in a very affordable rate. Okay, the link of this will also be given in the description box below, so do check out. I hope this session was useful. I will meet you with yet another session. Until then, have a great day. All the very best.